Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to take a look at some more hair transformations. So here we have someone with a long braid. Stylist gets to work chopping off that braid. Adding some bangs in the front to frame out the face. Oh, wow, what a gorgeous classic Pixie Style. She does have some beautiful bangs going there. Wow, this is absolutely stunning. She looks amazing. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So we move on to our next hair makeover. Now it looks like she kind of has a mullet going for this one, and the stylist cleans it up into more of a shorter mixy mullet style. And as you guys know, the mullet has managed to make a huge comeback this season. And I love the shorter variations that we are seeing. I think that they are so chic and polished and such a fun rocker chic way to wear your hair. Next up, we have a Barbie Inspired Bob. So playing into more of that Barbie trend, we're seeing so many Barbie inspired hairstyles. So she ends up getting a nice, sleek, classic blunt bob with this particular transformation. I love the amount of sheen that her hair has. It's just so healthy and gorgeous. Very nice. Next up, it looks like we have a cut refresh. Ooh, so she decided to get more of like a choppy layered Pixie style. I really like that icy platinum color she has here. Wow, she did this herself. Very cool. She did an amazing job with the cut and color. So here we have another cut refresh. She has some beautiful, thick, natural, wavy, curly hair. Oh, I love this. It's kind of like a shaggy pixie, very nice texture with her natural strands. This looks like a very chic, like a wash and go pixie option. Very cute. So next up, we have someone with shoulder length blonde hair. And the stylist cuts the hair into beautiful volumized bob. Very nice. I love the amount of fullness that this has. The nice dramatic angle with the bangs going in the front. Beautiful. And then we have a classic 90s inspired bob. So as we head into the fall season, we're definitely going to be seeing more bobs. Beautiful. Does have a nice wispy texture to it. Nice, simple, and chic style option and idea. Very nice. Oh, wow, look at her hair color. This is by far one of my favorite trends, the red copper colored hair in the form of a bob. Wow, this is absolutely breathtaking. And of course, what I love most about the look is definitely the color. Very nice. So here we have someone in for a cut refresh. Looks like she's going to be getting some color as well. Wow. Oh, beautiful platinum pixie. She does have like that mohawk shape going here, very spiky texture down the middle. This is by far one of my favorite trends. I love platinum colored hair, so pretty. I think that copper colored hair as well as platinum are definitely my favorite. So next up we move into this Shaggy Haircut styling. She has a really pretty like rose gold color. And this particular haircut is another one of those styles that plays into the cool girl hair trend. So pretty. And then we have a hair install. And for the hair color, she has a chocolate brown hue, which is very popular. And she is getting some layers cut into the extensions. Beautiful shaggy layered style, and I love the color. Next up, we see another cut refresh. Going much shorter with the Pixie. Get more of like undercut style. Going even shorter into more of like a pixie faded variation. Oh, I like the natural curl kind of texture at the top. Beautiful pixie fade haircut. And her nail color is perfect for the fall season. If you guys haven't checked out my fall nail video, do yourself a favor. Be sure to check that out if you want to know all of the hottest nail trends for this fall. So next up, we move on to someone who has beautiful natural curly hair. So it looks like the stylist is just kind of adding some shape to her strands with this one. Some cascading layers for the curls in order to enhance them. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these summer into fall hairstyle ideas. If you did, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.